How did I ever let you slip away? Never knowing I'd be singing this song someday. And now I'm sinking to rise no more. Ever since you closed the door, if I could turn back the hands of time, then my darling, you'd still be mine. If I could turn back the hands of time, then darling, you'd still be mine. Funny how time goes by and blessings are missed in the wink of an eye. Whoa, wow, wow, why should one have to go on suffering when every day I breathe? Please come back to me. And if I could turn back the hands of time, then my darling, you would be mine. If I could turn back the hands of time, then my darling, you still be mine. And you had enough love for the both of us, but I did you wrong. I admit I did, but now I'm facing the rest of my life alone.
Viewers Center Live.
The hands of time, then my darling, you would be mine. Oh, if I could turn back the hands of time, then my darling, you still be mine. Do you wrong and never leave your side. Turn back the hands. There'd be nothing I wouldn't do for you. Forever honest and true to you. If you accept me back in your heart, I promise. No, love you. Whoa, that would be my will. Darling, I'm begging you to take me by the hand. I'm going down, yes I am. Down on my bended really need. Yeah, and I'm gonna be right there until you return to me. Whoa, whoa, if I could just turn back that little clock on the wall, then I come to realize how much I